Good morning, students. Accounts Standard 12th, Chapter 4, Part 2, Analysis of Financial Statement. In the last lecture, we have already discussed about the theoretical point related to analysis of financial statement. In that, we have discussed about the comparative statement analysis and common size statement analysis. That was the theoretical part. Today we are going to start with practical sums related to the chapter financial analysis statement. Here question number 4 of exercise, page number 203. What they have said, the average profit and loss statement ending on 31st/3/2016 and 31st/3/2017 of Samman Company Limited are given as follows. You have to prepare comparative statement of profit and loss. Now we have already discussed about the structure of profit and loss statement. I have asked you to draw that format in your notebook. Now according to the question, we have drawn this format. Comparative profit loss statement of Samman Company Limited for the year ending 31st/3/2016 and 31st/3/2017. Proper accounting format should be prepared and proper accounting table should be prepared to do the sum. Then only you will get full marks. Here particulars, first column, note number, nothing is to be mentioned in note number, column number 2, 31st/3/2016. Then 31st/3/2017. Year should be mentioned like that because we are comparing from 16 with 17. Increase decrease, that is 4 minus 3, this fourth column minus third column, and increase decrease percentage, that is whatever increase decrease we have got divided by the 2016 figure, that is the base year, into 100 in percentage terms. Now already in question it is given sales revenue for 2016 is given 22 lakh and 2017 it is given 33 lakh. Now what is the increase decrease percent? Here 33 lakh minus 22 lakh. When you deduct this, you will get 11 lakh. Now there is increase in profit, that is sales revenue 11 lakh. How to get the percentage? 11 lakh divided by 22 lakh into 100. So that is 50%. 11 lakh divided by 22 into 100, that is 50%. So here we will write 50 in the last column. Next formatting is according to that other income for the year 2016 is 1,50,000 and for year 2017 is 225. So again there is increase of 75,000. Increase decrease percentage, 75,000 divided by 150 into 100, again it is 50%. Here other income increase was 75,000, percentage increase is 50%. Now the third column is total income. We will add this sales revenue and other income, 22 lakh plus 1,50,000. So it is 23,50,000. Here 33 lakh plus 2,25,000, 35,25,000. Again we have to find out the increase decrease from 23 lakh 50,000 to 35 lakh 25,000. So we will deduct that amount. What we have got? 11 lakh 75,000. Now increase decrease 11 lakh 75,000 divided by 23 lakh 50,000 into 100. Again it is 50%. Now expenses. Expenses is given for 2016 15 lakh 40,000 and for 2017 23 lakh 76,000. Profit before tax. How will get the profit before tax? Total income calculated here minus expenses 15 lakh 40,000. 23 lakh 50,000 minus 15 lakh 40,000. That is profit before tax is 8 lakh 10,000 for 2016. Similar way for 2017 35 lakh 25,000 minus 23 lakh 76,000. So we have got 11 lakh 49,000. Profit before tax is total income calculated here minus expense. So we have got profit before tax. Now income tax rate is given 30%. We will calculate this increase decrease and percentage afterwards. Profit we have calculated before tax is 8 lakh 10,000. Income tax rate is given as 30% on this 8 lakh 10,000. 8 lakh 10,000 into 30% is the income tax, that comes 2 lakh 43,000. Similarly for 2017 11 lakh 49,000 into 30%. So we have got 3 lakh 44,700. Income tax we have to deduct from profit before tax, so we will get profit after tax 8 lakh 10,000 minus 2 lakh 43,000. To get the profit after tax, we have to profit before tax less income tax. So profit after tax is 5 lakh 67,000. Here for 2017 similarly 11 lakh 49,000 minus 3 lakh 44,700. So that is 804,300. That is 8 lakh 4,300. Now here whatever expenses increase decrease we have to calculate, that is 23 lakh 76,000 minus 15 lakh 40,000. 23 lakh 76,000 minus 15 lakh 40,000. So we have got 8 lakh 36,000. Increase decrease 8 lakh 36,000 divided by 15 lakh 40,000 into 100. So we have got here percentage 54.28. Up to 2 decimal we have to take. Profit before tax 8 lakh 10,000 to 11 lakh 49,000. So we will deduct 11 lakh 49,000 minus 8 lakh 10,000. That is 3 lakh 39,000. We have to calculate percentage for every item. 3 lakh 39,000 divided by 8 lakh 10,000. So here profit before tax in percentage term is 41.85. Now income tax 3,44,700 for 2017 minus 243, that is 1,01700. Taking percentage, 1,01700 divided by 2,43,000 into 100. This is again 41.85. Now profit after tax, we have calculated 804,300 minus 567,000, that is 2,37,300. Percentage of this, 237,300 divided by 567,000 into 100. So this is again 41.85. Now this way we have to solve complete sum, complete heading, name of company, year ending should be given, proper format to be prepared, then we have to solve the sum. This is sum number 4, page number 203 of exercise we have solved. You have to do this in your notebook.